Hello.
Oh, yes.
Here's Pablo.
Finally. I'm so glad you're here. I really need my toilet fixed. Follow me.
Okay.
It's right in here. I need you to fix it right away, please.
I got it. This might take a good 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yep.
But Mom, I have things to do today.
I know, honey, but we can't use the bathroom until it gets fixed.
It'll be fine.
I'm not so sure.
Are you done yet?
My daughter has somewhere she has to go. Please hurry.
I'm done. Well, the shower's working just fine.
I didn't ask you to fix the shower. I asked you to fix the toilet. It's been 3.5 hours. You said it was only going to be 2.
Well, the shower's working just fine.
Why are you wet and why are you wearing my shower cap?
I needed to test it.
Test what?
The shower.
Why when you were supposed to be fixing the toilet? Get out of my house. Right now. Get
At
out.
least have my
Get
free-
out. Get out.
At least have my $300.
No, there is no payment. Get out.
You're not